Sell smarter. Buy with confidence. Your property transaction, guided by expertise. Belentino Property Sales, expert advisory services for sellers and buyers navigating residential property transactions in London. Whether you are selling or buying, a property transaction is one of the most significant financial decisions you will make. Our approach goes beyond the conventional. We provide pre-sale assessment, return on investment optimization, and comprehensive transaction support, ensuring you achieve the best possible outcome at every stage. For sellers, we begin with a thorough property assessment and valuation analysis. We develop a renovation for sale strategy to maximize your asking price. Energy performance certificate improvement advice ensures your property meets modern buyer expectations. And our staging and presentation recommendations transform how buyers experience your home. For buyers, confidence comes from knowledge. We provide structural survey interpretation so you understand exactly what you are purchasing. Our purchase due diligence covers legal, planning, and environmental checks. We assess development potential for future value, and create a post-purchase renovation plan so you know the true cost of ownership from day one. Our process is structured and transparent. We start with a comprehensive assessment of your property or target purchase. Then we develop a tailored strategy, whether that means preparing a home for sale or evaluating a potential acquisition. Next comes preparation, renovations, staging, or due diligence reports. Finally, we provide transaction support through to completion and beyond. Renovation for sale is about targeted investment, not overspending. We identify quick wins, the improvements that deliver the highest return for the lowest cost. Every recommendation comes with a costed improvement plan, ranked by return on investment. Our fast-track delivery means your property is market-ready in weeks, not months. London Property continues to deliver compelling returns. Rental yields across the capital range from 4 to 8% depending on location and property type. Buy and flip strategies, when executed with discipline, can achieve internal rates of return between 18 and 28%. Our market data ensures every decision is evidence-based. Without guidance, buyers risk overpaying, overlooking structural issues, or missing development potential. With Belentino, you gain independent assessment, market comparables, renovation costings, and a clear picture of total investment required. The difference is confidence, and it shows in the deal you secure. We provide comprehensive resources for every stage of your journey. Our Property Seller's Guide covers everything from valuation to completion. The Buyer's Guide walks you through due diligence, surveys, and negotiation. Our investment checklist helps you evaluate opportunities objectively. And for international clients, our overseas buyer portal provides tailored guidance for purchasing property in the United Kingdom. From Victorian terraces in South London to contemporary apartments in the city. From first-time sellers to experienced investors. Every client receives the same commitment to rigor, transparency, and results. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Discuss your property sale or purchase at belentino.com.